Okay, now we're doing worksheet 2A, the worksheet that's on the Canvas website for this section on 2A. So let's deal with the first question, and that is identify the units you would expect for speed found by dividing a distance measured in meters by a time measured in seconds. Well, that would just be meters per second, wouldn't it? So now number 2. Given that 1 yard equals 36 inches, explain how you would find the number of cubic inches in a cubic yard. Well, we'll start with 1 yard cubed, and we're going to use dimensional analysis. Put that over 1. Now we need the number of cubic inches. So we know this. In 1 yard, there's 36 inches. So now we have to cube everything because we need to get rid of that cubic yard. So if we cube one piece of this, one factor of this quotient, we've got to cube everything. So we'll cube the 1. 1 cubed is 1. We'll cube the yards. We'll cube the 36. We'll cube the inches. And now the cubic yards divide out. So the lesson is, keep in mind that you have to cube everything. And what we get is 46,656 inches cubed. Now let's do number 3. Suppose your car gets 36 miles per gallon of gasoline and you're driving at 50 miles per hour. Using unit analysis only, explain how you would find the number of hours it takes to use 1 gallon of gasoline. Well, let's start by putting hours in the numerator, and there's the car driving 50 miles per hour, so we'll put the 50 miles downstairs, 50 miles per hour. We want hours in the end, so we need to put that in the numerator. And then we're traveling at 36 miles per gallon. Well, we need identical units in opposite positions so that they divide out. So 36 miles per gallon. And you have to do this using dimensional analysis or unit analysis. They're the same thing. Anyhow, the miles divide out, and now we get 36 over 50 hours per gallon. And let's simplify that, and that's going to be let's see, 36 divided by 50. And I get 0.72 equals 0.72 hours per gallon. So almost every 45 minutes or 3/4 of an hour you're going through a gallon of gasoline. So number 4, let's see what 4 is. Oh, if a Dutch guilder is worth 52 cents, what is the value of $1 in guilders? Well, we'll start with $1, and using dimensional analysis, put that over 1, and now we're talking about a guilder is worth $0.52. And that quotient is going to equal, and by the way, the units of dollars divide out, and we get 1.92 guilders. Let's see, can we get in one more? Yeah, we can. Okay, 5. So number 5, an acre is equal to 43,560 square feet. And there's 5,280 feet in a mile. If a farm has the shape of a rectangle measuring 6/10 of a mile by 9/10 of a mile, what is the area of the farm in acres? Well, first of all, 0.6 times 0.9 equals 0.54. So that means we're starting off with 0.54 square miles. And we'll put that over 1. And now we know there's 5,280 feet in a mile, but we need square miles, so we've got to square everything. And then there's 43,560 square feet in an acre. And the question is, what's the area of the farm in acres? Well, when we carry out this product, by the way, the miles squareds divide out, the feet squareds divide out. The only units we're left with are acres, and what I get out of that is 345.6 acres. Okay, we're going to stop here.